Today's lesson is reading. Right on Reader Holes. Chapter 6. Kate Barlow loves the Onion Man. Kate Barlow loves the Onion Man. In the past, Green Lake had been a beautiful place to live. Every year, on the 4th of July, the people from Green Lake would picnic around the lake. Kate Barlow was the only teacher in Green Lake. She taught everyone in the town to read. She taught the children to read during the day. She taught the men to read in the evening. She also made the best spiced peaches in town. Trout Walker was the richest man in town. He liked Kate a lot. He wanted to take her for a ride in his new boat. Kate said, "No, thank you." Trout got mad. Sam, the onion man, sold onions. He believed that onions were the secret to a long and healthy life. When the people of Green Lake were sick, they got better when they ate Sam's onions. One day, Kate asked Sam to repair the schoolhouse. She paid Sam with her delicious spiced peaches. Sam made the schoolhouse look brand new. That made Kate happy, so she taught Sam to read. Sam and Kate fell in love. This was a big problem because Sam was a black man and Kate was a white woman. Kate loved Sam, the onion man. One day, they kissed each other in the middle of town. For today's activity, please complete the sentence. Number 1. Kate Barlow was the only teacher in. Number 2. Sam, the onion man, sold. Number 3. Circle the correct answer choice. Kate loved A. Stanley or B. Sam, the onion man. That concludes today's activity. Make sure to upload into Teams. Thank you.